Big machines need a plow engineered for big jobs. Meet the KAGE SnowDozer Wing, the versatile, heavy-duty snowplow built for machines weighing from 30,000 to 50,000 pounds. What truly sets the SnowDozer Wing apart is its innovative heel and toe float at the wing skids. This float allows the operator to set the plow down and get to work without having to perfectly manage the plow's pitch. Whether the plow is tilted too far forward or backwards, the wings maintain consistent contact with the plowing surface. The benefit? Snow stays in front of the plow instead of leaking underneath the wings, delivering a cleaner scrape with less rework. Heel and toe float also helps the SnowDozer Wing clean all the way up to and over curbs. With the wings in the forward or box position, the wing cutting edges stay up against the street or gutter as the skids begin to move over the curb. The contact continues right up to the curb, where the trip edges take over. The result is a clean, curb-to-curb scrape. With the trip edges on both the center blade and the wings, operators can also plow cleanly up and over curbs with the wings extended, adding protection and flexibility when clearing demanding sites. Steel wing skids deliver maximum scraping performance. Choose high carbon steel cutting edges or upgrade to the KAGE Advantage sectional cutting edges in Hardox or carbide for improved surface contouring and longer service life. Standing at 48 inches tall, the SnowDozer Wing is available with 4 foot, 5 foot, or 8.5 foot wings. Pair them with a 10, 12, 14, 16, or 18 foot center moldboard to configure the plow for your operation. The SnowDozer Wing is compatible with nearly every style of heavy equipment, including wheel loaders and 300 plus horsepower tractors. Loader quick attach and category 2 3-point hitch configurations are available. Operating the SnowDozer Wing is easier than ever with KAGE's new easy mounting inline 3-button control system. The compact controller provides convenient command of the wing and plow positioning from inside the cab, helping them make adjustments while keeping their hands available to operate the machine. The center moldboard angles up to 34 degrees left or right for efficient windrowing. It also oscillates 6 degrees up and down to follow uneven terrain and maintain even pressure while angling, while its curved profile rolls snow forward to reduce drag. Each wing pivots a full 180 degrees, from fully forward to fully backward or anywhere in between. That lets operators expand or contract the snow's overall width to move through spaces of different sizes. It also gives the plow the versatility to windrow, backdrag, push, and scoop. For added protection, the SnowDozer Wing is available with the KAGE's patent-pending HydroShield tire protection system. Even when the center moldboard is angled and a wing is positioned fully backward, the HydroShield maintains a safe distance between the wing and the machine's tires, preventing costly damage for both the tires and the plow. Cleaner contact, easier control, greater versatility, and protection engineered for both the plow and the machine. For heavy equipment and heavy snowfall, take control with the KAGE SnowDozer Wing. KAGE Innovation, stay grounded.